Dear all, hello. This short video will help you to understand how to log in onto your Office 365 and as well as how to change the password and to install the new Office that will be allowed to download from the platform of Office 365. Let us see how to proceed.
So from any search engine, you just type login Office 365 and then it's going to give you the website address where you can log in your Office 365. You just click on sign in. It's going to take you to a sign in platform. You type your address that have been given to you, like your name at moemu.org. Since you are the first time user, as soon as you click on next, it will prompt you with a general password that have been created for you. You insert that password, and once you insert that password, you'll be prompted to another slide. That is how to change your password and then what are the authentication ways that you would really use. For example, when you click next, it's going to give you like the new password that you're going to insert for you, and then your phone number if ever you have to recover information from your phone, and then as well as any other email address where you could send email in case you forget the password in the future for you to come back to this Office 365 address. So since mine is already created, I'll just click on sign in. It takes me directly to a platform where you're going to have lots of applications that are already there, or if not, you can bring them to your platform, and then you're going to see something like install Office here. So you click on install Office, you click on Office 365 applications, and then you just click on it. It will get downloaded to your laptop or your PC. Now you have to wait for some time because it takes quite some time to get it for it to be downloaded depending on your internet connectivity. Once it is downloaded,
So once it's finished downloaded and you will be prompted to ask to install. So once you finish installing all the applications on your laptop from the Office 365 platform, you might wish to check what the different applications that you've downloaded. Some of them will appear here, just like I have OneNote, I have Teams, etc. It all depends on what you've opted to be downloaded. So you'll see you're going to have like what is more important for you is like, let's say like I've got OneNote, I've got PowerPoint, I've got the Microsoft Word version, and then you've got the Excel. It all, as I mentioned earlier, what are the applications that you selected to be downloaded. What is more important for you, because we have been giving you this link for home recording for the videos, what is most important for you to check is whether you've got PowerPoint which is being downloaded. If this is so, then that will be fine. In the next video, I will show you how to use PowerPoint to make what is known as the home recording lessons more effectively, and as well as to check whether you've done it well, and to do your own trimming of videos, saving of videos, and recording of your videos. So that's all from me. Thank you for your attention.